Hello, Yuna from Oz here. I've been twiddling around in my studio as usual, in between getting scratched up by blackberries in the garden. But I saw a YouTube video on how to make your own sticker books, and I thought, what a terrific idea. And I knew I had some sticker paper, so I actually made 4 little sticker books. They are 2.5 by 2 inches in the old scale, and I made 2 in Abstract Brights and 2 in Vintage, and I thought you might like to have a look at them. Not sure what I'm going to do with them. I was thinking about putting them in my Made It shop, but being a little thick, I'm a bit concerned about they might cost a bit too much to post. Anyway, so here are my little sticker books. I actually got my master boards and I had them photographed. This one, this little sticker didn't grip. As you can see, they're quite nifty. I photographed my master boards, printed them out on nice white copy paper, and then stuck them down to the double-sided A4 sticky sheets, and then proceeded to cut them up. And I got 15 little tickets per page. So each book has 30 little stickers in them. This is the Vintage one, so it's got more subdued tones. I actually am really chuffed the way they turned out. Apart from that one's got a missing page that didn't stick. And these ones are my Brights, so I used a couple more brighter pages that I had in photographs and printed them, again stuck them down and cut them out. I actually think they turned out really well. I know using stickers at the moment is really popular in bullet journaling, and I do also use them in collage journaling. But anyway, this is what I do in my spare time. Like I said, not sure what I'm going to do with them. Might have to send a few out in Happy Mail, or might have to use them myself. Anyway, let me know what you've been doing in your spare time. Maybe you do different arts and crafts. I do a huge range of arts and crafts. And hope to see you soon. Take care.